solving multi-step problems. Okay, so we're going to set the scene. You are in charge of a company that's going to build a new theme park. Okay, now, things that need to be or should be included in a theme park, we're obviously going to have rides and attractions, but we're also going to have things like cafes and toilets, all right? So your budget is £500,000. Okay, which is quite big and quite exciting. All right, now what we're going to need is we're going to need large rides, small rides, cafe, maybe a few, toilets. Okay, you're going to need some green spaces, and you're going to need paths to connect everything. Okay, all of this is going to cost money. All right, so what we're the estimated cost is going to be about £50 per square of park. Okay, and about £200 per square of garden. 200, yeah. Okay, so that's what we're working with to start. All right, now you're going to be looking at a theme park planning sheet, which I will put up just now. You're going to design and create a plan for your park. All right, each square in your numeracy jotter, okay, each square in your numeracy jotter is going to be 1 square meter. Okay, so we're pretending that the distance between the lines in your jotter is 1 meter. So this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter. So each square is 1 meter square. Okay, and that will help you with the adding of the costs together. Okay. Now, this is solving a multi-step problem because everything that you're going to put on your design sheet is going to cost you money. And so we're going to try to figure out how much we're spending as we go. So you have your budget of £500,000. Okay. Now, if you decide, you know what, I want 4 big rides. So 4 big rides, each big ride is going to cost you $50,000. Okay, so this is step 1 would be working out 4 times 50,000. Now we know that 4 times 5 is 20, and we know that we have to keep all these placeholders. So 4 times 50,000 is actually going to be 200,000. Okay, so as soon as you've got 4 big rides, then boom, that's 500,000. Take away your 200,000. So 500,000 minus 4 big rides is actually going to be 300,000. So now you're at 300,000. All right. Then we got to work out where they would like to be and what your paths, how much your paths are going to cost, and how close you want to get to the budget limit. All right. So we got to work out. You got to work out as you go. All right. So then if we want to say put in a toilet, well, maybe 2. Okay. 1 for each side of the park, and we know that each toilet is going to take up 4 squares of park. Okay, each big ride takes up 12 squares of park. All right, but each toilet, so we have 2 toilets, they're going to be about £7,000 each. Toilet times 2 would be 7,000 times 2, which would be 14,000. Okay, again, we've got to take that away from 300. So 300,000, take away my toilets. Then all of a sudden I'm at 286,000, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so we are constantly calculating. I'd like you to put to write down all of your calculations so that I know, or that you know, where your money's going. And I'll show you an image of a sample theme park, okay, and then I'll have the costing list for you as well, and that should get you started. Just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you!